Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming dependencies and selecting a format appropriate to your framework. PyTorch, TensorFlow, and ONCs are common choices. Once you have a trained model, call model eval for deterministic behavior and create a small example input tensor for tracing if needed. Next, extract state dict in PyTorch or use model. Save weights in TensorFlow. These are the first actionable steps to serialize parameters. Make sure file paths are writable and version your file name to avoid overwrites. Now perform the detailed save and optional export steps. In PyTorch, either save state dict or create a scripted /traced model via torch. JIT, trace or torch. JIT, script for production, torch. Save writes the file. In TensorFlow model, save produces a saved model directory suitable for serving, while save waits writes HDF5. If you need cross-framework use, export to ONCs with a representative input and check ops compatibility. Once done, validate the saved artifact by loading it back and running a quick inference. Finish by completing checks and packaging. Reload the saved model or state dict and run the same inference to verify numerical equivalence with intolerance. Save optimizer and scheduler state if you plan to resume training. Then, compress or containerize artifacts for deployment. If things go wrong, the primary troubleshooting tip is to check framework versions and custom layer registration. Many failures stem from mismatched versions or unregistered custom ops. Fix by matching environments or providing custom load logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.